hustles can also be called extra jobs. They are those extra activities which you engage in to fetch you an extra income aside from your main source of income. Engaging in side hustles will not only help you make extra income in order to pay off your debt fast or achieve your financial goals, it will also help you expand your network, meet better job opportunities, and very importantly, it will bring about your financial freedom. So in this video, I will be revealing to you 5 best side hustles you can start from the comfort of your home to earn extra money and achieve your financial goals. I have some bonus tips for a successful side hustles towards the end of this video. So make sure you stick around till the end of this video to get the bonus tips that will enable you run your side hustles successfully. Without further ado, let's quickly look at the content of today's video. The first side hustles on our list is joining focus groups. This is one side hustle I engaged in after I graduated from the university. I used it to support my main job and it fetched me a sustainable amount of money throughout the period I was engaged in it. Joining focus groups is an easy way of making that extra 50 to 100 bucks daily in your spare time. Now, these focus groups are those set of people who preview a new product or a new service of companies before those companies put out those products or services to the public. People are being paid to offer their opinion about a new product or a new service that is about to be released to the general public. This focus group is like a sample of people that will give feedback on any error or issue they find with that particular product or the services. So this company can make corrections before sending it out to the general public. So find some focus group around your jurisdiction which you can apply for and give your own opinion about new products or new services that is about to be released. All you need to do is go to sites like Mindswamps, Recruit and Field, focusgroup.com, focusgroup.org, Surveyfield, Survey Junkies, etc. Last time I checked about this focus group, some companies pay about $2 to $5 for a few minutes of your time, while some companies can choose to pay you monthly. The second side hustle is being a transcriptionist. I've tried this too. This job mainly involves you listening to videos, listening to audio files, listening to speeches in your spare time in order for you to write them out in a text format, that is in a readable form. Transcriptionists are needed in areas like legal, medical, and other corporate world. As long as you have a high school diploma or a formal certificate, you can apply for this job and make about $20 to $50 per hour from the comfort of your home. To apply for transcribing job, visit freelance sites like Rev, Transcribe Me, and Go Transcripts for some good transcription jobs that pays very well. It all depends on the time you have and your speed level to make this extra income. Number 3 side hustle is selling digital products. Digital products are those products that are made online, they are sold online, and they are also used online. They include products such as designing logos, websites, artworks, templates, and even music. You can cash out from this side hustle by creating these digital products in your spare time and selling them online in platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Shutterstock, Canva, iTunes, and so on. Selling digital products on these platforms can fetch you an extra income of about $100 daily. Number 4 side hustle is social media influencer. Who does not have a social media account in this modern age? You are either in TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Threads, or other social media accounts that you know of. Now, what is most interesting about these social media accounts is that these top social media platforms have creators programs that lets you monetize your content in these platforms and make money from the content you post on these platforms. When you have much followers in some of these social media platforms, then you can make money through sources like ad revenue, through affiliate marketing, through sponsorships, or even direct sales from customers to your own products that you advertise on your social media handles. It is very easy to start up this side hustle because all you need to do is to open up a social media account, maybe in TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, anyone you're interested in opening up, and then you can post content like product reviews, entertainment videos, education videos, talks, podcasts, whatever you are good at, even your skills. The number 5 side hustle is tutoring people online. When we talk about tutoring people online, it could be academic or non-academic courses. People are interested in different things. If you have a skill that you know you're very good at and you can teach people that skill, it means that you can earn anywhere from $50 to $100 per hour tutoring people about what you know. And you know what makes this side hustle very unique? It's because you have at your liberty the right to set the rate for these classes, to choose your preferred class size, and also to plan your availability for these courses so that it doesn't affect your main job. If you have a good understanding about the know-hows of a particular subject or a particular activity, there is someone out there that wants to learn this thing from you. Are you a good dancer? Are you good at playing saxophone or the guitar? Can you teach English? Are you good at accounting or calculus? Or do you understand phonics so well? You just need to tutor people who are interested in what you know online. And boom, you are making that extra income from the comfort of your home without any stress. Now, to carry out this online tutoring, you need to join platforms like tutorme.com, tutor.com, Study Pools. We also have Udemy, we have Schooly, ThinkFic, etc. These are the platforms you can join to build up your curriculum and start your journey towards making that extra income based on what you know. Number 6 side hustle is drop shipping business. Now, this is one of my best side hustles. It is very easy to start up. Statistics has shown that drop shippers make about $5,000 on the average monthly. To start a drop shipping business, what you need to do is to go to platforms like Etsy, like Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, and open an online store in these platforms where you can showcase products and the price of those products you want to sell over there. When customers click through this online store to order for these products, it is now your duty to send this order directly to the manufacturers or to the wholesalers who you work with to supply these products directly to the customers. So there is no physical exchange of resources or exchange of products in this business. It is strictly online. It can be done from any location that you are. The advantage of this dropshipping business is that you make money from your home conveniently by charging customers a reasonable additional price for these products in your online store. So the dropshipping business is a very good side hustle that could earn you extra income from the comfort of your home. Like I promised at the beginning of this video, here are my 3 bonus tips to run a successful side hustle business from your home. The first tip is to choose your passion. It is important for you to go for side hustles that align with your interests and your skill. Do not engage in a particular side hustle because everyone is engaging in it. Most viewers value the simplicity and commitment of the anchor. If the side business you're engaging in does not give you the motivation and the commitment you need to carry on, you will end up quitting that side hustle before you make any profit from it. So you need to have a genuine interest in that side hustle you want to engage in. And this is because you want to stay consistent in what you're doing and achieve your desired success. Number 2 bonus tip is time management. Some people who engage in side hustles end up stressing themselves and eventually quitting because they didn't structure out their time adequately for this side hustle course. Since you have a main job which also requires your time, it is very important that you do a time audit and find out when would be the perfect time for you to engage in your side hustle. Now, this is very important, especially when it comes to the online tutoring aspect. You want to structure your time based on your availability and not overstress yourself and quitting along the way. So drafting out time for these your side hustles will keep you consistent throughout this job and also bring about steady progress along the way. The number 3 bonus tip is market research. Some people just go into side hustles without making research about what people are interested in based on the niche they are good at. Before you go into your side hustle job, you have to make research about what your target market in your particular niche is interested in and are demanding for, and see how you can be of help to these people who are searching for it. And there you have it, the 5 best side hustles you can engage in from the comfort of your home and earn extra income. Which of these side hustles are you considering? Let's hear your comment in the comment section below. If you've gotten value from this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel to keep getting quality videos like this that will enhance your personal finance and help you achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to share these videos to friends and relatives that will find this video helpful. Consider subscribing to my channel. Stay well.